Hello, the beautiful, the friends. I am in a super ZNMD mood. So, this is not a full day in my life. This is half a day in my life. It is 4:45 PM right now, but you have not missed anything. The only thing I've done is edited. That is it. So I'm going to start with something which I wanted to start my day with, but ठीक है, late तो late, but at least let's start it. I ordered this oil because I have been swimming and मेरे बाल ना इतने frizzy कभी नहीं रहे. This is what it looks like when I haven't really done anything. So whenever I'm not gonna shoot, I like to pamper my hair and my oil is missing. Where is it? I need to go and see who from my family has taken it. मेरा no pole movement वैसे तो बहुत मस्त चल रहा है. Like hair fall में बहुत difference था and my hair does stay very nice usually, but the chlorine in the pool, oh my god, my hair has never seen worse days except when I swim. So that is why I thought कि extra care लेना पड़ेगा. So this is the product I want to try and I came across this because of Mridul. Now this is an oil. I have not oiled my hair in such a long time because usually oils are very greasy and मैं baking soda use करती हूँ तो जाएगा नहीं जाएगा क्या पता. So that is why I decided to pick this one up because I've heard it's very light. वो ऐसा चिपक नहीं जाता बाल में and it's an onion hair oil. Onions are naturally known to help you with hair growth. Even in my new society there is a pool, so that's going to help me swim even more. Also the best part is that this oil does not need to be kept for like even a full day. 1-2 घंटे में ही इसका असर. Oh, look at this. Wait, I'll show you. Look at the color. सिर्फ नाम के लिए रेड अनियन है, इट्स एक्चुअली रेड अनियन. सो इसको हेड डाउन पोजीशन में लगाना होता है. I actually feel so light. Like नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने मस्त से ऑयल लगाया है. Wow, dude, this is perfect. So now I'm going to let this sit and do more exciting stuff. Let's go. Now comes the most exciting makeup product that I have ever waited for. Something super exciting just happened. My new intro is finally ready and I was actually probably going to wait till 100k to release it, but I cannot. It is just so beautiful. I cannot keep it away from you. So in 3, 2, 1. How was it? Did you like it? Did you not? Whatever you feel, please let me know down below about it because I have all the goosebumps while watching this again and again. So now it's time to get ready to go and meet my super close friends from high school. I have only 5 minutes. I should first take the eyeliner off. Now we are ready for lenses. Throw some concealer on. A little bit of powder. Shut your eyes if you are a lens wearer too. When you apply powder stuff. Blue eyeliner, that's what I'm feeling today. I think it looks good. Let's go. If there's one Hailey Bates thing more than anything, it's this. Tying my shoelaces in the rickshaw. Look at the sky, it's so pretty and I'm almost there. So I just came back home, but the video is still left to edit and I want to upload it today. So I will tell you everything, but after the video is done. Finally done. So now I'm going to take my Polaroid photo for the day. So what I took the Polaroid for is a book that I'm making where I'm taking one new photo every single day and sticking it in the book and writing whatever I have to about that day. Also, I forgot to show you, but this was my outfit for the evening, repping the Levi's merch, and my t-shirt was very wrinkled. A tip that I use is I just throw a jacket on. Like istri karne mein to main #1 आलसी हूँ. So I just throw a jacket on. I think we are too tired to continue for the night. रात की नींद तो रात की नींद होती है, इसलिए I decided to continue everything that I've planned for the night tomorrow. Fortunately, this hair oil by Acte is not very rigid कि overnight रखना ही पड़ेगा या 2-3 घंटे में धोना ही पड़ेगा. So because it's so flexible, I'm not worried about my hair. We can sleep peacefully. Good morning. It is extremely cold. जब मैं दिल्ली गई थी ना, I was wearing 5 layers of top wear and 3 layers of bottom wear. अभी मैंने एक ही पहना है. It's time to finish all the things we left off. Let's begin with the shower. PJs, cause I'm going to be staying at home for a while. Then why not? Something's happened. पहली बार after washing my hair, I have not had to comb my hair. Like, this is my hair directly out of the shower. It's not frizzy. That's a shocker. And this time it has been so smooth that look at this. I'm able to do this without brushing my hair. I'm still shook. On another note, the room is cleaner. Okay, it's not completely clean, but it's definitely cleaner. Bed's cleaner. One thing, I found the Shein box. I got a bunch of things after so long from Shein, and I have worn only 2 items out of all the things because I have been waiting to show everything to you. और इतना time हो गया कि I even forgot कि ये box है room में. Next thing on our agenda is to order the makeup remover because in the past 10 days, 2 days I slept with makeup on. And that's bad. Found Bioderma. I'm getting 100 ml for 527. Okay, I just opened the hair oil again to give you more insights, and I just found it's sulfates, paraben and mineral oil free. There's nothing of these sorts in there. It also gives results for bald patches कि मतलब hair growth होता है. That's really nice because my father and I share skincare products a lot. So given his age, उनको टक्कर जल्दी नहीं आएगी. He won't get bald as soon as normal people get at his age. So that is really nice, man. I believe it will take time for hair regrowth results to get achieved, but there's definitely a really good chance at this. And on Amazon, there's a flash sale going on. Not only it's actually cheaper than the MRP mentioned on the bottle because of the introductory offer, but there's also an additional 20% off because of the flash sale. I think it's exclusive only to Amazon. I'll leave the coupon code down below. इसमें at least मुझे 3-4 महीना तो निकल जाएगा, I feel. Now I'm going to start looking for a good face moisturizer or a face serum. If you have any recommendations, please leave them down below so that I can get like a good advice from trustworthy people. Now we can do the fun crazy stuff. This is the picture I took yesterday with my friends. That's what I wrote. I love my book. Finally done with all the important work. Now I am going to chill and try this big box full of clothes. मस्त आधा घंटा लेते हैं, एक एक कपड़ा अच्छे से देखते हैं. This is the first outfit. I also threw on a red lip because why not? I picked up mostly tracksuits because I want to start working out and I wanted some cool gym outfits. So I like matching pairs and bright colors. That's what you're gonna get in this mini haul. So this is the outfit. This definitely zips up completely and this is what it looks like. I'll link all the clothing items with the sizes down below as well. Don't worry. This also has a collar which if you zip up looks like that. I could give the trendy Instagram pose. Changing into outfit number 2. Here it is. Oh, pants are the same. I'll be back. So this one and the previous one are the only 2 outfits that I've actually worn yet. When I came back from the gym wearing this, my Taddu was literally like, hey, are you planning to join the army? Yeah, you can cinch the sleeves up, you can leave it open. That is why I like hoodie wale tracksuits because you can leave it open as well. And you can definitely wear each item individually. And this is the next one. It looks so different compared to the first 2 because the fitting is much tighter. Yeah, show you the full length look. I think this is a very cool airport look as well. Now the one that you're gonna see next is a little questionable. I am going to show you a glimpse. Yeah, I'll just wear it and come back. Hello from the space or a super rainy place or the airport because I'm the one who waves at the airplane signaling that hey, it's the right time to come. No, I know that neon has really been in trend, so I thought of trying this suit. I don't think that both these things match with each other. I actually really dig the color. I think the top will work pretty well with skinny jeans and the joggers would look good with plain black. I think it definitely looks more wearable. The next one is a blue number. Oh, this is what the jacket looks like. I'm getting pretty cool vibes. Looks pretty good. Time for the pants. Yeah, these are the colors I wanted for the gym. Slightly loose because I ordered the wrong size. So I think I'm going to use these as lounge pants. Yeah. Hoodie open. These sleeves look like the top I'm wearing is full sleeves because it's plain black. Very cool illusion. Well, the last tracksuit is white. I went for literally almost all the colors I could find. Let's try this one on. I love the look. I love these stripes, man. They're super in trend. They also have like fake buttons on. Let's try to zip it up. Ooh. I think even this jacket would look so cool with jeans and the same cami I'm wearing. This looks like a proper space suit. Who cares? Like, see, just this cami and these pants give a great look. But if you thought this is it, it's not. I have one last item. The credit for finding this item totally goes to Komal, who runs the channel My Happiness. I saw one of her fashion videos in which I saw this coat and I thought that I need that. I'm not shy from bold fashion and this just looked so good. That's when I decided to place an order from Shein कि यार ये कोट चाहिए. उस बहाने मैंने इतने सारे कोट्स भी order कर लिए. I think it'll look way better with jeans on. Love it. So this was my super productive and one of the most quirky and happiest day in my life. Productive because I got a video edited and I found a very good solution for my hair, and I also started looking for serums. The only thing missing was a workout from these 2 days, which I will complete now. I'll work out now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.